Kenneth said that a while back that that cures for cancer have been found in mice. Last I checked, there is not a cure for cancer, and we have spent billions of dollars on finding cures for cancer in mice, but so far we've failed and to replicate human cancer in any other species, let alone find a cure. A lot of diseases are hard to replicate in other species because they're species unique and can only be created in humans. So using animals to to find cures for diseases that only humans receive makes no sense. The only way to discover cures is to use human cells, tissues, and organs. They went on to say that that they do regulate how a lot of these animals are treated inside the testing facilities, but a lot of the regulations aren't actually conducted until activists or other groups actually expose it to the media or Congress. So they go ignore it unless brought attention to the people. And then the AWA actually isn't allowed to prevent the use of animals in research or experimentation, nor does it exclusively prohibit the experiments regardless of the amount of pain and distress they cause. So under the law, they really have little power in how the animals are treated or cared for. And then Sam said that it's vital to human to improve human health to use animals to better medicine. But a lot of animal-tested drugs have killed or disabled or harmed many people and led to costly delays as well. So if it's meant to better our health, but it actually kills or disables us, I think that's really the opposite effect. And why would we conduct tests on the wrong species when there's so many alternatives like sophisticated computers, mathematical models, human tissues and cell structures, and smarter, more focused clinical studies that can show more accurately what happens with human body diseases? Why instead inflict pain on animals? And what happens to animals in the laboratory would be considered criminally cruelty to humans, but because it's on animals, it isn't seen as cruel. No experiment, no matter how painful or trivial, is not prohibited. Thank you.
You didn't have background music for us.